Fasteners come in different lengths. Our fasteners come in, this one in particular is 1.5 inches. It's a mini drill point, so it's typically used for wood. And yeah, we have a 1.75. We have a 0.75 as well. So just make sure you order the right screws for the right application, or else you'll have trouble. It's really important that you use our AL13 screws because we've tested with these screws. We know exactly how the system works and performs with these screws. These particular ones have an EPDM washer on there, and that washer is designed to suck back into the hole and seal up the Tyvek or WRB that you've used on the substrate. This particular unit here is interior, so we don't have a WRB, but there would normally be a WRB on that plywood before we would start this project. Okay. This level.